Hey everyone, and welcome to the Superhero Toy Club. Today we're going to be unboxing Ant-Man of Playskool Heroes, the giant robot. Also we have over here Wasp and Ant-Man. Wasp is from the Superhero Squad and Ant-Man is from the Playskool Heroes also, but the smaller version. Alright, let's take a look at the back of the box. Alright. Let's see it. Ant-Man. This is the robot form. They have others like these: Iron Man, Hulk, Captain America, Black Panther. You can find these at Walmart and different outlets that have Playskool Heroes. Alright guys, let's begin unboxing. Alright everyone, here he is, unboxed. I'm going to show you guys giant Ant-Man. Alright. As y'all can see, arms move up and down. Probably the only mobility that he has. I mean, okay, his legs move. Okay, I didn't know that. See his legs move. Alright. Also, you guys can check out the detail on him. You got the Ant-Man face. Check out some of the detail that he has going on. His back. Feet, they're like rockets. Check out the bottoms. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the giant robot. Now what's cool about it, this opens up. Let's get this open here, guys. And we have smaller Ant-Man. It fits inside. Ooh. So I almost lost you there, Ant-Man. It fits inside. You close it up. So guys, that's pretty much it. Ant-Man. Also, I want to show y'all the Wasp. Now, she is from the Superhero Squad series. Like I said, they don't make Superhero Squad anymore, but if y'all can find her online, you know, she would be worth getting. She is the Wasp. So y'all can check her out. And guys, that's it for the Ant-Man robot. So you can find these at Walmart or anywhere Playskool Heroes are sold. If you like this video, please leave a like. Also comment and let me know what you guys think about them, or different places you guys can find them at. Alright, thank you. Have a great day.